Express the square root of 3 cos theta plus sine theta in the form of r cos theta minus alpha, where r is greater than 0 and alpha is between 0 and pi by 2. Hence, sketch the graph of y is equal to the square root of 3 cos theta plus sine theta, for theta being between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, so if we note, first of all, that cos of theta minus alpha, this is equal to cos theta cos alpha plus sine theta sine alpha. Therefore, root 3 cos theta plus sine theta. Now, there's nothing in front of the sine there, so I'm just going to put in a 1. The r comes from doing the square root of 3 squared plus 1 squared, taking the square root. Square root of 3 and square becomes 3, so this becomes 3 plus 1, so square root of 4, which is equal to 2. And then alpha, now because I want this one to be cos, and in front of the cos theta is root 3, then this is opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. I want the root 3 to be on the adjacent side, and then the opposite side, because I'm going to want that to be sine alpha, I'm going to want to be a 1, and this will be 2, which makes sense that alpha is, the cos of alpha is root 3 over 2, and the sine of alpha is 1/2. So, alpha will be tan to the minus 1 of 1 over root 3, which is pi by 6, 30 degrees. So, root 3 cos theta plus sine theta is going to be equal to root 2, which is r, bracket root 3 over 2 cos theta, plus 1/2 sine theta. If you take the 2 in, you get back to this line up here. All right, and this has to represent cos alpha, and this has to represent sine alpha, and then because of that, we have to put that 2 in front. So that becomes 2 cos theta, this is cos alpha, plus sine theta sine alpha, and then using the compound angle formulae, this becomes 2 cos theta minus alpha, and that's 2 cos theta minus pi by 6, because alpha is pi by 6. So we now got it in the form of r cos theta minus alpha, as required. Right, if we need to sketch the graph of y is equal to root 3 cos theta plus sine theta. So using this form, y is equal to 2 cos theta minus pi by 6. Now drawing a set of axes and then marking on 0, pi, marking on pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. Because the 2 here, we need to make this axis go up to 2 and down to minus 2. Now if we just draw on first of all cos theta would look like that. Let's label the axis accordingly with theta rather than x. Right, now we want to, the 2 means that this is a vertical stretch, so this is stretched 2 units this way and this 2 units this way. And this minus pi by 6 means a translation pi by 6, 0. So that means these points, the maximum point is going to be moved along to pi by 6. So we need to mark on these points pi by 6, 2 pi by 3, 7 pi by 6, and then 5 pi by 3. Then this point here will be, it will go to here, it's 2 because it'll be 1, and then you have to stretch it to 2. This point here, the curve will be 0. At this particular point here, the curve will be minus 2. And at this point here, the curve will be 0 again. So then we can sketch our curve, which will look like that, and label it y is equal to square root of cos theta plus sine theta. So this has been a video to show how to sketch a graph of y is equal to square root of cos theta plus sine theta by writing it in the form of r cos theta minus alpha first. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.